Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short or Randy4short, and in this video we are going to be doing a plan with me for the week of August 17th through August 23rd. So let me just get my spread. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, I do pre-plan my spreads. It helps me to plan much faster and decorate it to how I want and use much more of my planner supplies. Just enables me to reach for things that I may not typically reach for, but I do love. So yeah, so we're going to lay that washi there. This is Simply Gilded washi. And this right here is actually Michael's washi. So I got this particular washi a long time ago, so I doubt you'll be able to find it. And I couldn't even begin to tell you which like tube of washi this one came out of. Okay. So I'm just kind of like putting my big stickers down first. Kind of don't want to cover up too much of this washi. And I kind of want to like offset this. So I'll do that like that. Not much is going on. That's Sunday, so that's why I put that there. And then let's see, I do need to write in my header, so let me go ahead and do that. I don't know what it is about this mild liner and this ink from my printer, because I do make these printables myself. And yeah, the ink that I'm using right now is like an off-brand, it's not printer brand ink. So it's kind of like smearing when I use a mild liner, and I don't understand why. So yeah, but I don't think it's the mild liner's fault. I think it's just this ink that I'm using in my printer that I ordered off Amazon. So yeah, just want to try out this pen that I just picked up from Simply Gilded. This is the Cozy and Crisp pen that came in the sub box, I think. I don't know when that sub box came out, but I just want to try it on top of a mild liner. But yeah, I really like how this pen writes. It's like super smooth, and I love like the ombre rainbow of this pen. It's super cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting in my plans. So on Mondays, I collect all the trash around the house, and I take it downstairs to the kitchen so that my husband can take it out on trash day, which is actually Tuesday. But since this is my planner, I'm going to put that the trash comes, put trash day on I'm gonna put trash. Put that right there to remind me to gather the trash around the house. And see, that's another thing about this printer ink is whenever I put down like clear stickers, whenever I pull up a clear sticker, you can see like the ink behind where I like first laid the sticker, and it's just like so annoying. But that's the ink I have. I'm just rolling with it until it runs out. On Tuesday, I typically pay off my credit card, so we're gonna do a little credit card payoff. I'm gonna put this check. My tweezers for this. Need to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay. So that's that. And then on Wednesday, my husband is off. So I need to put a little note to myself that he's off. And then on Thursday, I want to use this. That our son is going to be at my mom's. Okay, and then I also try to do chores on that day. So I do various things like clean out my car. Let's see. Maybe put this on the bottom. That's cute. So I do kind of like, I do the laundry, I clean out my car. Sometimes I'll wash my hair on that day. Depends on how much energy I have. If you have natural hair, then you know wash day is a whole thing. So, and it's a weeknight, so I have to wake up the next morning. So sometimes I can just wash my hair. Depends on if I'm doing like a wash and go or something like that. So I don't really do those too much. So I typically will kind of like plan to let my hair air dry, but either way. So on Friday, we have meal prep and groceries. So I wanted to do this in like the corner somewhere. Oh, that's going to take up so much room, but it's so cute. Okay. All right. We'll do that right there. And this is from the Happy Hostess, this like charcuterie board. And then I cut up this little today header that came like this, and I just cut the side so that I could put it over underneath there. It says charcuterie. So I just cut the little today header and then put it over the top of charcuterie because I wanted it to say today for so I can have it like kind of represent meal prep visually. So meal prep and groceries. And we do use Walmart grocery delivery, and they just leave it on our doorstep and we just get it when they leave. So contactless grocery delivery. And then on Saturdays, I try to do a planner sesh. So, oh, actually, let me actually put this for, I actually want to use this for groceries. So I'm going to cut this. This just says grocery list. So I'm going to put this instead of groceries. Just because I'm being extra. I could have left groceries, but I already pulled the sticker and I want to use it, so. Okay, so back to Saturday. My husband does have a dentist appointment on this day, so let's see. I want to do, or is it, oh my gosh, it's on the 20th. Oh man, I need to put it on this day. All right, how we gonna do this? All right, let's move some stuff around because I do want to use that sticker. All right, Thursday's looking a little crowded, but it'll be all right. Okay, I'm gonna throw away these little washies, little swatches. Just because I pre-plan like my stickers and stuff, I like to take my washi and like take a little swatch and put it on my pre-planner sheet just so I won't forget what washi I want to use, because I am concentrating more on my washi than my stickers, because I mean I can always find a place for a sticker, but sometimes, you know, I do forget about putting down washi, and I'm just accumulating so much of it because I'm going down the Simply Gilded rabbit hole that I do want to make sure that I'm using my washi as much as possible. So, yeah. So I do the weekly prep, and the weekly prep is just basically getting my clothes together for the week, because I do use a capsule wardrobe. So it just helps me to put my clothes together beforehand for the week. So yeah. Actually, let me put this box down first. Okay, so there goes Sunday. And then I will put this today just because I pulled it. I'll put planner sesh. Friday nights and Saturdays are typically the time that I do set aside time to do YouTube. So I'll put that there. I kind of don't like that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this one up and I'm gonna put this back in my sticker planner to be used later. And I'm just going to put this up here and move this up. Alrighty, so that's it for this plan with me. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers by October, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.